guys, it's Randy Bable here, principal broker of 10 Realty in Sevierville, Tennessee. And if you're into the red, white, and blue, let me tell you, I've got a cabin for you. I'm out here at the Douglas Lake Resort, right here on Douglas Lake. And what I love about this cabin community is that cabins are affordable. They're right on the lake. You have a boat ramp, a boat dock, swimming pool, clubhouse, play area, and you're close to everything there is to do here in the Great Smoky Mountains. I tell you what, let's go in and let's take a look at this fantastic American cabin. Nestled in the picturesque Douglas Lake Resort, this cozy 2 to 3 bedroom cabin is perfect for the overnight rental market, and it just oozes patriotic charm with its delightful Americana decor. Imagine guests walking into a spacious interior, greeted by new furniture, a fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable living room with a fireplace and a high vaulted ceiling. On the main level, the cabin features 1 king bedroom, 1 queen bedroom, two full bathrooms, and even a laundry closet with washer and dryer. Heading upstairs, you'll find a huge loft, equipped with 3 smartly laid out twin beds, a sleeper sofa, and a private walkout balcony to kick back and enjoy the evening stars. And let's not forget the private wraparound covered deck. What a great spot to sip coffee while taking in the serene wooded views. And there's even space to add a hot tub if you so choose. Whether it's a family getaway or a small group retreat, this American Way cabin has room for everyone. But here's where it even gets better. Tapping into the 14 million vacationers coming into the Smoky Mountains each year, this cabin is part of a highly successful overnight rental program, so you can expect a nice income with it being set up as a short-term rental. Located on Douglas Lake Resort, there are a host of amenities. You and your guests can enjoy lake access, a community pool, a playground, and even boat trailer parking. So bring your boat or rent one locally. The boat ramp is right there for easy access, and it's just down the hill from where this cabin is located, making it practically vacation heaven for anyone wanting that on-the-lake experience. What a fantastic cabin, especially if USA is your mantra. Great for anybody who wants to set up a permanent residence here on Douglas Lake, or if you're looking for that perfect overnight rental property, this cabin's for you. I've set up a web link with more information about this cabin. The details are right down here below. If you want to come by and take a look, or if you have any questions, pick up the phone, give me a call. All my details are right here below as well. I'm Randy Bable, the principal broker of 10 Realty. I look forward to making this your new cabin here on Douglas Lake in the heart of the Smoky Mountains. I look forward to hearing from you.